Nice, guys. There we go. We got our Delta Executor for absolutely free. Hey, your people, what is up and welcome to my new tutorial. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how I got the latest undetected Delta Executor for free for my phone, guys. So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you everything step by step how you can get this online without downloading any modded APKs or any software. Guys, you can do it with your Android or your iOS devices or even with your PC. It works with all these devices. So guys, for a start, let's go to Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website. It's called bloxforge.com. You will find it easily. And then let's click on Delta Executor tool. So guys, there we will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find your Roblox user ID, just click here how to find it, or let me quickly show you. So go to your roblox.com profile. As you can see, just go to your profile on browser. And guys, you will find your profile there, right? So just click your profile URL, just copy that. And let's get back to the tool. So when you copy it, just click on this button. It will automatically scrape only your user ID and it will paste there. So just click continue and it will start searching for our user account. So guys, you should get this message, user found. So there we go. We are connected now. So guys, you should get your account there. So just click here, import newest updated Delta Executor to our account. Just click here and it's optional. So guys, we will select their script that we want to get pre-installed along with our Delta Executor. So click here and select literally whatever you like from scripts, guys. You have Red's Hub, Forge Hub, NickUse, Bean Hub, Mango Hub. You literally have everything you like. So I will select Forge Hub and NickUse, and these two will get pre-installed with key on our Delta Executor. So just select that and click continue. So guys, it will start searching, connecting to our API with Roblox. So make sure to subscribe to my channel in order to stay updated with all these kind of reviews and tutorials, guys. I will record more and review more websites. So yeah, there we go, guys. API is connected and our activation key is generated for our Delta Executor. There we go, guys. So now we will have a few minutes to complete this bot captcha because there is a lot of malicious bot attempts. So just click I'm not a robot, guys. And it should redirect us to the manual verification, and it's the last step until we receive our newest updated Delta Executor with key. So guys, it's one-time verification, so you don't have to worry, and we will have a list of 6 free tasks and we will have to complete only 2 tasks from this list. So guys, you can complete literally whatever you like from this list. You can complete these simple questionnaires, you can complete these game downloads, you can complete app downloads. It's really up to you and it's only your choice. So what will I do now? I will download TikTok and Merge Gardens. So how will I do it? Just click free, just click go, and it will start downloading from Google Play if you're using your Android phone, and if you're using your iOS, it will start downloading from the App Store. So guys, it's all free and from the official publishers. And one more important step is to follow their instructions for each task you complete. So for TikTok, I will download and install this app, then run it for 30 seconds. And for Merge Gardens, I will install and reach level 9. So guys, that's pretty much it. What will I do now? See when I complete these 2 tasks. Be right back. So let's see together what will happen and does it actually work.
1 minute later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this and this task from this list, as I said, TikTok and Merge Gardens, and I have followed their instructions and I got this message, guys. You completed 2 tasks successfully along this redirecting text. I'm still waiting for about 1 minute and nothing happened. So guys, it should redirect us every single second. So let's see, will we actually get redirected? There we go, guys. There we go, verification successful. Thank you for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. There we go. I'm so excited to open our Roblox and to see is it actually working. So let me click on Roblox and let's see, guys, does it actually work? So let's wait together and let's see, will we actually receive our Delta Executor? So we can play whatever game. Let's click on Grow Garden because it's popular right now. So let's open this game mod and then let's see. Nice, guys. There we go. We got our Delta Executor for absolutely free. As you can see, it works amazing. So now we will check for our scripts that we pre-installed, right? There we go, Forge Hub and NICUs. These two we selected and they are pre-installed. So guys, if you want to play with scripts, just click execute. It will start lagging a little bit and it will stop lagging and it will just open this amazing script. So as you can see, Executor Delta, it has automatically detected it, and you can do with these scripts literally whatever you like. It's amazing. So enable jump power, you can test it. So jump power, let's put like, let me drag it. It can be dragged, right? Nice, there we go. And guys, as you can see, it works amazing. So yeah, Delta Executor is working amazing and we can do now whatever we like with this. So that's pretty much it, guys, for this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed and found it helpful. If you do, make sure to like this video, to comment down below and to subscribe to my channel. And once again, thank you so much for watching and see you in the next video.